Stay with us. We'll be back in a moment to chat some more with Shonali Malhotra. Hello and welcome back to M&S once again. Shonali, we were talking about your constant dialogue with God, that you keep talking with him all the time. What do you talk? And does he listen to you?
Yes, he does.
क्या बातें करती
I'm
हो?
a strong believer in God. I do believe in him because he guides me in the right way. And I do thank him every day for where I am today. There are a lot of people who are struggling, you know, waiting to get that one chance. And there you have it on a silver platter, right in front of you.
And God gave it to you?
Yes.
You asked him?
It's yes.
ये बताइए कि ये जो आप जो बजाज लहरें कर रही हैं, how did that come to you?
Again, it was through Bajaj Sevashram because the client
Oh, I
was...
thought that was through God again.
No,
Okay,
come on.
okay. No,
I'm
it's
sure God
that easy.
sent
Okay,
it through.
all
I
right,
mean,
yes.
Mr. Bajaj was quite impressed with my work, so he signed me up for Bajaj की लहरें.
फिल्मों की तरफ रुझान नहीं है, फिल्मों की तरफ रुचि नहीं है.
फिल्मों की ऑफर्स तो बहुत आई हैं from A-grade directors. I won't deny
To
that.
A-grade
Recently, I
actors,
was offered by Yash Chopra.
अच्छा.
But right now,
तुमने उनसे कहा होगा, मैं सोच के बताऊंगी अभी नहीं.
जी नहीं. मैंने उन्हें कहा कि right now I'm not prepared for films. I'm very frightened of
Why?
getting into the filmy world.
Why?
I guess.
Yes. क्यों?
No, you know what happens.
किसी ने
is-
कुछ बताया, गलत बताया?
नहीं,
नहीं
ऐसी
भाई,
कोई
बहुत
बात
अच्छे
नहीं है.
लोग
There
हैं,
are a lot of
बहुत
nice
अच्छी दुनिया
people.
है. हाँ.
There are a
तो-
lot of nice people in the world.
Yes.
But what happens as a film actress, if you're a hit, you know, your career's made. But if you're a flop, then nobody even thinks
But
about you.
that happens anyway, sweetheart. I mean,
Yeah.
it would happen in television if you didn't make a success of Bajaj Ki Lehre or the ads
That's
which you
true.
have done.
That's true.
Nobody's going to give you a second glance.
So I have to give this a thought, right?
Yes, you have to definitely give it a thought.
Okay.
I think you have it in you.
All right, let's see. I'll keep my fingers crossed.
Great. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you very much.
So-